Morning. Jim Barrett from RJO Futures, Thursday morning, August 2nd. A very subdued reaction to Bernanke yesterday, or the FOMC meeting rather. Just not much trading in the notes and bonds or the stock indexes. People obviously were waiting for what the ECB bank president would say, Draghi. This morning we got that at 7:30, and he basically. I guess you could say slightly disappointed in the market relative to his previous comments. Caused quite a whipsaw. The notes and bonds broke. The stock indexes rallied immediately in front of the release. And then there was clear, that he was probably rightfully so, simply just putting more pressure on individual countries rather, to come up with, better budgets, better whatever. And in other words, focus things on them getting their own house in order without mentioning anything about ECB bond buying. Caused the markets to reverse course, rather stocks to sell off, and notes and bonds to recover quite sharply. We went down basically and tested last Friday's lows. Notes were down with a 133 handle again. The bonds were within a few ticks of last Friday's lows, and then rip roaring rally right back at least the midpoint of the ranges here. We probably won't have the next word on this ECB bank buying stuff until September 12th. Apparently the German High Court decides whether or not they would consider it legal, and therefore the notes and bonds ought to hold together, and stocks ought to stay under some pressure. No magic money to show up to correct European problems till at least then. Anyways, tomorrow the focus will now be on the unemployment number tomorrow. Last month disappointed. Remember, we got 80,000, I believe it was, this month. We're looking for 100,000 increase in jobs with an unchanged 8.2. A really bad number, however, be careful with the really bad number. Really bad number may mean help from the Fed or expectations of help for the Fed, and may not be good for notes and bonds. We're locked in a range, basically. Bonds trading yielding here around 255. The notes around 1.5. I don't think we're going to move very far off those marks on a near-term basis. Anyways, I can be reached at 800-500-2461 to discuss any commodity future. Remember, there's a risk of loss in futures trading. It's certainly not suitable for everyone. Thank you.